Hello guys, how are you doing? Alright, ChatGPT introduced new features into their system, and I think this is just like a competition because DeepSeek was introduced some days ago. Do you understand? So ChatGPT now, in order to upgrade their system, they now introduce two new features, and these are the two new features: ability to preview your code, and secondly, ability for the system to reason, to go through the reasoning process. Do you understand? In DeepSeek, it is called thinking. So the system will go through thinking process. So ChatGPT has also included that functionality into their system. So that's what we want to demonstrate now. You understand? So I want us to create a real estate landing page. Do you understand? To demonstrate the preview of ChatGPT, real estate landing page, and I will show you the reasoning feature they added. You understand? So let's go. So this is the reasoning process. This is the reasoning process. Can you see? So it has generated the code. So let's prove it. So can you see now? This is the preview of the code. This is the preview of the code. This is really amazing. This is really amazing. So in ChatGPT now, you can preview your codes. You can preview your codes in ChatGPT. So this is the reasoning process of ChatGPT. So those are the two features that are newly included in ChatGPT. Do you understand? Because I think what they are trying to do is that you have to be on top of your game always. So if anybody bring competition, make sure you are always ready to tackle them. Do you understand? To me, ChatGPT is still on the top. So I want you guys to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more content like this. So on this page, I will be giving you more educational content. Do you understand? Thank you very much.